Hey guys, Gameboy3800 here once again, and today is a very quick video to show you where the CRD Monster Truck has moved to, because if you haven't noticed, it is now off of the BeamNG.com website. It's off the repo. Now we chose to do that so that we could have a more free way to release the truck and not be restricted by the repo's restrictions. And that means in the future we shouldn't have to separate the truck and add-on pack. It'll just be one big pack. But either way, for now, we're going to go and see the CRD mod. You can get to it by simply clicking CRD mod on the Welcome to Beam Monsters banner. And it's moved to Beam Monsters, which you might recognize as basically Sim Monsters, and it's funny like that because it's using the same exact web service. So it's funny how it goes full circle. And here you can download the file. And it has two files to download. These are directly hosted on the website. Other files will be hosted on Google Drive or MediaFire simply because the site does not have that much storage. But these are the sole exception. These are added directly to the site. If you click download, it should let you download. Oh, doing this bug again. Just refresh your web page and click download file again, and then hit download for the add-on pack. And I wonder why it does that. Yeah, look at that. It goes away. But yeah, I've already got the downloads. But what you need to do once you have those downloaded is move them to your BeamNG mods folder. This is not a repo subscription. It will not update on its own. You have to manually update it yourself. And that'll be it for if you're only here for the BeamNG Monster Truck. But if you're here for other skins and tracks and stuff, and other activities, then you can take a look around the forums. I'll do a very quick tour guide here. Got the BeamNG forum posting here. It's about just basic BeamNG, and then requests, and then other general gaming. There's even some tutorials posted as well. And to go to where you can download stuff, you got the downloads here. Of course, it's got some of the popular and recent files here. But if you want to sort by anything here, you got the CRD mod, that's up there. Got the essentials for like required maps in FPS vehicles for that a lot of maps use. Tracks and trucks, that's pretty simple. Got the scrapyard for people who are donating models to help you build tracks and stuff. Let's go ahead and go to tracks. And I'll get rid of this, I don't need that showing anymore. You can see here, it's got some of the files here, but I don't know why it says no files in this category. What you need to do is go to replica or custom on the right over here. You can browse categories as well. It seems. There we go, that's what I would like to see. BeamNG tracks, trucks. Let's go back to tracks and let's go to custom. Now here is where you can see all the tracks that's been posted for custom tracks. Got Benson, you got New Orleans, Gaithersburg, DuQuoin, and Lightningscape. Yep. Hot Wheels, updated Hot Wheels Truck Killer by Tubonaut. That's a good one to download right there if you haven't had it already. And then let's go back to tracks. You can do that by just clicking tracks up at the top and going to replica. Let's see what's on the replica tab. So World Finals, updated Tampa, got East Rutherford as well. It's a great big site. Now let's go ahead and quickly take a look at trucks as well. See what trucks people have made. Let's go to customs. Since evidently there's no replicas yet. That's odd. Oh well. This is a lot of packs by Mike Bev. Got my own truck here and one by Sin. Furious Puppy by Caker as well. And then Mike Bev uploaded the Hangouts, Jedi Pack, Game Boy Pack, Saunders Pack, and Band Pack, but he changed it to the proper authors of the trucks. He just packed all of them, so he uploaded them. But yeah, that's about it for the Beam Monsters website and where you can find the CRD mod. If you found this video at all helpful, then please do go ahead and leave a like, favorite, comment, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe as well. And of course, stick around. We got many, many more things on the horizon.